Hi guys, can you tell us a little bit about your organization and the services that you guys offer?
Okay, so we are into insurance and investment, and we are here since 2002.
So we have around 1200 client base from retail clients to corporate clients, and we give all kind of solutions when it comes to insurance and investments.
So what was your main challenge in your organization that before using the software? The main challenge.
So before using the software, we were having multiple Excel sheets, and it was becoming really difficult to keep track of different Excel sheet for every single process which we had.
And how did the software solve your problem?
So what I basically did was I laid out a process chart or a systems chart for my company, and I came to you that this is something which I want to bring online, so that we don't have to deal with, like, let's say 25 to 50 Excel sheets. So we then customized a solution working together, and how we can streamline our processes. If something was done twice, then how we can reduce it, and how we can reduce the scope of error. So yeah.
Okay. And after getting used to using this software, has it impacted your productivity in the organization and even the efficiency?
So I believe it has impacted the productivity. However, I've not tracked the numbers, so I don't have a number attached to it. But I feel that the employees are very much more comfortable using the software. There is one place wherein they have to do the data entry. There is one place where we can monitor everything, the policy, the renewals, the inward and outward of all the documents.
Okay, and I want to add one thing. There are ample number of CRM softwares available. What we found good thing about it, so you have prepared a software as per our needs. So it's a customized. So that's actually a beauty of this product.
So customized software was able to help you and your staff train in the natural way as much as possible.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. How easy was this software to implement in the organization? Do you have any time frame that it took for the people to adapt to it?
See, we have been using the software for the last 4 to 5 years, so I don't have much recollection about that time, but as far as I remember, it was very easy to use, and I think hardly it would have taken 1 or 2 weeks for people to get a hands-on training and start using it.
And that's great. So how did Thumbstack's team help you in the support and deployment process and implementation of the software?
Sure. So I was very happy with the support which they gave me, because whenever we bring any new system in the office, there are 1,000 things which can go wrong. Some things which we have not accounted for, some things which the employees feel that this should not have been done this way, it should have been done the other way around. So at every step, I found that I was getting ready and prompt support from their side.
Can you tell me any specific feature that you think has added more value to your business?
I think there are 2 specific features which I believe we are using the most. One is definitely the renewals, because every month we just download the one Excel sheet from the OMS, which gives us a track of which renewals are pending in that particular month. And second is that we keep a track of inward and outward documentation which are going. So some things which we have used in the past is like, we need to keep a track of some check, that what happened to this particular check. Did we get a check from the client? Was it deposited? We can go in the inward outward register in the OMS, and we can quickly search it and we can get an update.
Okay. And would you recommend any other client of yours to Thumbstack?
Absolutely, I would do that. I feel that all of us here love the system which they have built for us, and we would definitely recommend it to other people. There is one more thing which I want to add. So I'm not sure if Ritesh knows about it or not. So we got OMS checked by a third party. We have another client who also happens to be a software developer. And we got the application, the source code and everything checked by the third party, and even he told us that the work which they have done is impeccable. Everything is very organized, and the technology which they have used is also amazing.
And I want to say that not only the software is also user friendly, and the promoter and the technical team is also very easy to access. We can call the technical person and the and he is always available on call.
And lastly, there is one more point which I really liked about Ritesh was that he was not belonging to this domain, but he took special interest in understanding what my business is, how my office operates, so that he can give me customized solutions as well as give me ideas to grow my business also. So he went beyond his way to help us.
That's great. Any specific story that you want to tell which has, which has given you that trust in why we should go digital?
So I think
Dream small. Yes.
Dream small. I think Papa will be able to explain.
Okay. So the fact is that earlier I used to, track my and keep my all the data on Excel only. And I used to take a backup, but my habit was to keep the drive in the office only, external hard disk drive in the office only. And the unfortunate incident of fire in our office in the entire complex of Bandung Dental Mall, where we had office earlier. So the office was gutted in the fire, and fortunately we were on the OMS system developed by the Thumbstack. So the entire data, every single data was on cloud, and we could save our data. Had this OMS was not in place, we would have lost entire data for sure, because the data was also, the external drive was also kept in the office only earlier. So that's the best part.
So you are saying that after moving to cloud-based infrastructure, we were able to mitigate the risk that involved in the fire accident that happened.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, guys, for your time, and it was great working with you. And I'm sure in the future also we'll be working on many digital transformation aspects of Phoenix.
For sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.